Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to look into Bitcoin and understand what's happening in the Bitcoin chart because that can tell us a lot about the overall crypto market. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. And to begin with, first of all, congratulations to 10 winners who have won this contest where I was going to surprise my most active followers. So if you are one of them, congratulations, because you will get a complete 1 month free access to Bitcoin Gem mentorship program. Thank you for all the likes and retweets. Thank you for constantly engaging on my tweets and watching YouTube. So make sure you keep being an active follower of Bitcoin Gem community, and I am sure it would be rewarding in many other ways in days to come. So congratulations once again, guys. And today let's look at Bitcoin. Now, when we look at the Bitcoin chart, what I want to share with you today is the Bitcoin daily chart. Uh, if you have not watched my Bitcoin weekly video, I will provide the link in the description. Do watch it because that talks more about the macro picture. Currently, what we look at is on the daily chart so we can know what will be the next move in the next few months, 1 or 2 months, what can we expect in Bitcoin. So, for any bullish bias, okay, for any major bullish upside bias, personally for me, very important zone for Bitcoin is 44,000. You can see over here, we broke this was a breakout candle which broke down. We came back, we retested it, and since then we have been practically ranging in this range. This breakdown was in January 2022. Since then, just once we did go above, but this was kind of a deviation, and we are again back in the range. So for any upside to, let's say, 50,000 or 55,000, it's very important that we flip this zone into support, $44,000 zone. Just look at this. How many times did we try to break it? Once we did break, but we are again back down. So flip this R into S for any major upside. I have this clear message for myself. Of course, nothing of this is financial advice. I'm just sharing what I think about Bitcoin currently. What I have message for myself is pretty clear that if we flip $44,000 zone into support, as in if we start getting daily candles above it, we start trading above it, then we can think of major upside to 50,000 or even 55,000. What is currently happening is we are trading below a very important support, again very important support in my opinion, which is 39,600. So you can see what happened over here. Once we broke this $44,000 zone, just look at this, we broke this $44,000 zone. What was the main support that we got? We got at 39,600, where we found a good bounce. We went to again retest 44,000, and since then that was a confirmed retest of we are going further down. Then we saw this two big candles to 32. Since then we are of course going high, and we are creating higher highs and higher lows, but this overall is a bearish pattern because we are inside a bear flag. But I don't want to talk about that pattern right now. What I want to talk is very simple, forgetting about the bear and bull scenario or the bearish flag also. If we want to again go and retest this major $44,000 zone, we need to start having daily closing up above 39,600. Only then we can go and retest $44,000 zone. But if we continue to have daily closing below this, then I think it's just a matter of time before we go down and retest 32,750, 33,000, this zone, because 39,600 is very important in my opinion, and we can only survive for a limited days if we keep getting daily closing below this price, in my opinion. So it's very important that we trade above this. Now today is Saturday, so I'm ignoring the weekend action. I don't want to comment on any weekend action, but next week onwards, if we again want to go back up and retest 44k, we need to start trading above 39,600. That would be very important. We need to get daily closing above it. Just look at this scenario. Wait a minute. These candles, the way we are forming these candles below 39,600, when we form candles above 39,600, we will again go for an upside. So that is very important in my opinion. $39,600 region. Of course, we have a huge monthly support at around 38,000 to 38,200. If you have not seen my weekly and monthly macro video, please watch it. I will provide the link of that video in the description. Do watch that video. This is of course a huge weekly and monthly support, and why it is a huge support I have shared in that video. But for the short term, if we keep getting daily close about 39,600, our chance of going down is higher than we going up. Hence, to flip 39,600 is very important. And for any major upside, if we start getting daily closes above 44,000, then I would cautiously flip bullish rather than bearish, because then I would start watching at 50 and 55,000 on the daily chart. So as per daily chart, these are important price levels in my opinion. And if we look at the EMA's ribbon, our daily EMA ribbon, then again we can see there are a lot of resistances on the way up. Our first 21 EMA is at 40,000 currently, around 40,300. Our 89 EMA is at 42,000 and our 200 EMA is at 43, 44,000. Hence, 44,000 is currently very important in my opinion if we want to flip our bias to daily on the bullish side. Unless and until we don't reclaim this into support, I think it's not wise to think about any bullish move on the upside. But if we start getting consolidation about 39,600, then we can at least think about this move, and that will give a relief in the altcoin market also. But if we start trading above 44, then I think we can get some good move on the upside. But unless and until it does not happen, the current threat for Bitcoin is to, if it does not close above 39,600 for next few days, then I think a huge move to the downside is very much possible. So that's looking at the Bitcoin daily chart. This was a quick update I wanted to give you. I hope you guys appreciate the updates that I keep giving you and keep supporting my channel. Take care guys. Bye bye.